Every chocolate bar begins its journey beneath tropical skies. Only ripe pods are chosen. Here, skill and timing shape the harvest.
Precision protects the tree and the crop.
The harvest builds, pod by pod. All paths lead to the heart of the farm. Now, the fruit is opened.
Inside lies the flavor of chocolate.
Raw, alive, and full of potential.
Fermentation begins the transformation.
Heat and time awaken flavor.
Nature does its quiet work.
Days deepen the character of cocoa. Careful turning ensures balance. The aroma begins to change. Sunlight completes the harvest stage.
Moisture leaves, stability forms.
The journey to the factory begins here. The factory becomes the new environment.
Scale defines modern production.
Raw material meets the system.
This is where flavor is engineered.
Human precision guides every step. Design controls movement.
The factory breathes steadily.
Flow replaces stillness. Please and team.
Supervision keeps balance.
Every route is calculated.
Data guides decisions. Transparency ensures control. Preparation begins. Energy supports every process. Conditions are carefully maintained.
Impurities will be removed. Purity is the foundation.
Now, selection takes over. Sorting brings order to volume.
Size matters at this stage.
Air stays clean, product stays pure. Hidden contaminants are captured.
Safety is non-negotiable.
Vision systems take control.
Every bean is inspected.
Only the best continue. Consistency is achieved.
Human judgment still matters.
Experience fills the gaps.
Visual balance is enforced.
Information loops back instantly.
Preparation gives way to process.
All movement leads to heat. This is where character is forged. Raw cocoa meets controlled fire.
Motion ensures even heat. Energy applied with restraint. Balance is everything.
The scent of change fills the air.
Experience reads what sensors cannot.
Flavor layers begin to form.
The moment is exact.
Heat gives way to release.
The roast is locked in. Temperature drops, flavor stays.
Even cooling preserves quality.
The foundation of chocolate is set. Structure must be broken to move forward.
Shells give way to essence. The core is exposed. Air becomes a sorting tool.
Waste finds a new purpose.
Only flavor moves ahead. Verification never stops. Density meets pressure. Friction unlocks richness. Solid becomes fluid. Heat keeps motion alive.
Volume builds steadily.
Texture is carefully controlled.
Uniformity protects flavor. Pressure replaces gravity. The system carries its creation forward. Transformation accelerates here.
Chocolate begins to take form. Automation refines what craft has begun.
Particle size defines smoothness. Microns matter.
Machines correct themselves. Texture moves forward. Time and motion, perfect flavor.
Rough edges are softened.
Flavor is rounded, not rushed.
Warmth unlocks aroma.
Human oversight remains essential. Patience creates depth.
Smoothness is verified.
Chocolate is now fully formed.
Automation keeps harmony.
Precision now defines structure. Structure is perfected through control.
Crystals are guided, not forced.
Degrees decide the finish. Stability creates shine. Ready to be shaped.
Form meets material.
Precision is repeatable.
Air is gently removed.
Every gram is accounted for.
Cold lock structure in place.
Crystals align perfectly.
Form is complete.
Separation without damage.
The surface tells the story. Beauty is measurable. Nothing is wasted.
Completion approaches.
Protection comes next. Quality is proven, not assumed.
Every batch is questioned.
Eyes confirm what machines detect.
Sound reveals structure.
Consistency runs deep.
Accuracy is documented.
Performance under heat is tested.
Flow confirms formulation.
Standards never drift.
Safety is verified scientifically.
Nothing unwanted passes through.
Release is authorized.
Nothing breaks the rhythm. Quality is continuous.
Vigilance never ends. Traceability is permanent.
Only approved chocolate moves on.
Completion is now visible. Protection preserves perfection.
Every seal matters. Identity follows every bar. Individual becomes collective. Strength is sealed in.
Speed meets consistency.
Accuracy scales up. Order reaches its final form. Stability for the journey ahead. Destination is defined. Inventory breathes inside these walls. Time pauses. Readiness remains.
The next journey is called movement resumes. Chocolate is protected to the end.
Responsibility is confirmed.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.